Did you know that using charcoal in your poultry farming is much important? In this video, I'm gonna be telling you the 6 importance of using charcoal in your poultry farm. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get my videos anytime I upload. So guys, it's like the rain rained at night, and the iron sheet has some holes. So the house of my chicks is leaking. So I need at least new sheets to put on. Iron sheet has some holes. You can see. Look at this. So guys, I have some charcoal here. So I will be using this charcoal to clean the coop so that I can remove part the odors, because this is a job that a poultry farmer must do every day. Every day you have to do this. You have to clean the coop where the chicks live, because sometimes I take them out to eat some grass, and also it reduces at least the expenses of food, because sometimes it's a challenge here to buy food every day. So that's why I let them out. Then I will bring the food when they eat, and also they need to eat also the sand. That's why it's healthy for them to be outside here. You can see they are grazing. They are grazing out there. Yeah, they are grazing. You can see all over there, eating grass. So which is very healthy, because greeneries, as I told you in my previous video, it helps a lot in chicks. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is what we do. So in this video, I'm going to be cleaning the coop, and also I will be telling you the most important uses of charcoal. If you clean your coops using charcoal every day, I can guarantee you that mostly you will be getting no infection to the chicks, because this hash is it is like a disinfectant. It kills the germs, because I use it every day. And also the chicks, sometimes I mix the charcoal with water, and also I put mix with food, so that they can eat every day. They can eat every day, because it is really very important to the chicks. When they eat the charcoal every day, it helps them with the immune system, and also it helps them to digest their food very easily. So stay tuned, guys, as I take you through the cleaning of the coop, and then be telling you the uses of charcoal in details. So stay tuned, guys. Must sprinkle the ashes all over, because we need to clean the place to be very clean. Because these ashes, sometimes it helps the chicks. The coop cannot smell. Like, it rained here, but when I'm inside here, I don't feel any smell, because every day I clean it with hash and charcoal. So stay tuned, guys. Let me bring my sweeping. Mostly this is why sometimes if you don't have enough capital to start the poultry farming, it becomes really a challenge, because these are the challenges, because the water is coming in, and this is so dangerous to the hens. they can contract pneumonia. So from seeing this, I need to go and buy uh, some medicine for pneumonia, so I can prevent them from contracting pneumonia. From pneumonia, kiss is cold, and if the rain is coming inside here, it's one of the major problems I'm facing right now. But also the sheets are so expensive, so I don't want to promise that I'm gonna change them recently, but I'm working them out. Yeah. So I'm done from inside here, guys. So see you in the next one. From here now you can see, so they will be sitting on top of these trees. So we have arranged them, so they will be sleeping on top of these. Don't need to sleep on the ground. Yeah, it's so nice. So our coop is clean, and so I think well vented. So stay tuned, because now I'm going to give you the importance of using the charcoal on chicks. So stay tuned. Before you use charcoals, before I tell you the most important part, you must understand what type of charcoal you need to use in your poultry farm, because some of the trees that we make charcoals, they are poisonous. So you must be very selective what kind of charcoal you use in your poultry farm. So let's dive in to important number one. It prevents them from diarrhea. Mostly they will lose weight, and even they will lose a lot of water in the body. Then they will be weak, and maybe may lead to death. So charcoal is one of the most important part when you want to stop diarrhea. Charcoal also prevent the chicks from getting coccidiosis. Coccidiosis is the disease where you find your chicks are putting, like, they have a brown poop, and this one shows that sometimes they may have some wounds in their intestine, and by time their droppings will now start mixing with blood. They will be now moving blood from their droppings. So charcoal is much important to the chick, because it prevents coccidiosis. Number three is that charcoal also prevents the chicks from ammonia smell, their poop, all their droppings. So the ammonia smell will reduce from their droppings. So when you give them this charcoal, it prevents them from their poops from smelling a lot of ammonia. That's very important, especially like me. That's what I use to clean even the coop. Every day I must pour some hash from the hashes. You use them inside, because sometimes it even prevents the bad smell from the chicks, and also it is like a disinfectant. So you spray these hashes inside the coop, and then you sweep, you make it clean. You using your charcoal. Charcoal is very much important. Even people use them to wash their teeth, because they are really important, because they will make your teeth to become very clean. Even some people use it nowadays. Some companies are making soaps using the charcoal. So the charcoal is really much important. Like sometimes, like me, every day I take my chicks out. I give them food, and then I let them to walk around and feed, eat the grass. And when I bring the kales, I mix them with the kales. I give them. So this charcoal, it maybe the chick has eaten something which has poison. So when you give them charcoal, the charcoal will remove the poison from the body of the chick. When giving the charcoal to your chick, also improves productivity of the chick. The chicks become very healthy. When your animal is healthy, the productivity becomes very high. So it improves the immune system. It gives the energy to the bird, and which leads to productivity to improve. The chark also helps the bird from accumulating the gas in their stomach. So the charcoal, even the people here in the village, sometimes when you feel your stomach bad, you are given charcoal, and then maybe you can just chew it and swallow, or you just mix it with water, then you drink. You will feel your stomach becomes clear or clean. So it really helps with a lot more. So it is very much important for you to give your chicks charcoal. You will not go to buy a whole sack of charcoal. You will just go and buy the remainings, because you will find that you will buy, especially here in the village, we use charcoal. You just use them. The remaining flour, that's what you use to give your chicks. So it is at least much better, and also sometimes it reduces the cost of feeding and also the cost of medication. So it's very, very, very important, and you need to always give your chicks that at least twice or thrice a week, at least that. If you cannot give them every day, at least give them twice or thrice a week, every time, so that you can keep your chicks very healthy. So I want to say thank you so much for listening to me, and this is Live with Makori. Guys, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, so that anytime we upload my video, you get notified. And please let us support this and let us learn together. Thank you. May God bless you on the road to 3,000 subscribers. Bye bye, guys, for today.